Go, sige pa. Lapit.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hello, magandang people, mabuhay. Miss you. Miss you. Hello, magandang people, mabuhay.
Mini miss you. Mini miss you. Okay, question and answer portion. What's your name?
Nariya Shamati, Hita Hobby.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
Bay sa Quezon City,
Okay. What are your talents?
drawing.
And? And?
Singing.
Ano pa? Dancing?
Hindi.
Are you good in dancing?
Yes.
Yes?
Tapos, magaling maglaro ng video games.
Okay, so now we will come to the question and answer portion. Okay? So as a young girl, what can you do to help the Philippines? Okay?
Save up money and bigyan mo tao ng pera.
No?
Ay, magiging ako gaya kay Mr. Beast.
Ano?
Madaming pera.
Okay, so yun yung answer mo?
Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast.
Dapat you study well as a student, as a young child, okay? Kasi yun yung ano eh, the youth is the hope of our motherland. The kids are the hope of our motherland, oh.